To me, it's really exciting seeing where the data and the technology is taking us. My name is Curt Tomasevicz. I am the Director of Sport Performance for USA Bobsled and Skeleton. I grew up in a small town in the middle of Nebraska. My hometown is only about 600 people, but I grew up playing football, basketball, baseball. I also ran track. Got the opportunity to walk on to the University of Nebraska football team. A strength and conditioning coach that I had at Nebraska recommended that I try bobsled. So I tried out in 2004. Was able to make the national team in my first season. The 4-man team that I was on in 2010, we were able to win the gold medal. To walk away with the gold medal, it's impossible to truly describe what it really feels like. So 10 years on the national team, 3 Olympics. After that, I retired from the sport, and eventually that led into the role that I'm in now. I grew up loving the sciences, so I took a lot of programming classes, always looking for the numbers to back up decisions. Definitely when I got into this role, I wanted to incorporate more sports science. Our sleds, they end up going over 80, 90 miles an hour sometimes. The only time, obviously, that we get to provide an external force to the sled is when the athletes are pushing the sled. Some athletes are really fast. Some athletes are really strong. There's different categories that we can start to classify our good pushing athletes. Snowflake has done a great job of helping us sort through what's important in the data that we're really looking for. We're looking for a power athlete now. So let's really search out that very high vertical jump. Or again, maybe we're looking for very fast athletes. And so we're more keen on recruiting the sprint metrics. If we can learn that a best combination of 3 or 4 athletes is a fast athlete, a medium athlete, and a power athlete, well, then we can be more targeted when we select teams. Every tiny little bit counts, whether it's in aerodynamics, whether it's in the push and the load. We know we have the athletes, we have the sled. Snowflake is helping us maximize those 2 assets to really help us be successful. So we're excited to see what we can do.